Hi guys! So today we are going to have our unboxing dito sa parcel namin. So actually, we're supposedly going out today, but since inantay namin yung parcel na dumating, kaya di kami natuloy, no? But anyway, may excited kasi dito sa bahay, which is si Ty. We're excited to see what's inside the parcel. Okay, so here we go. Let's start with this one. So, this is a vehicle fan. Since mainit kasi dito sa Qatar ngayon, that's why we ordered this fan para sa likod. Okay, ayan. 2 heads siya. And then, ito yung on and off button niya. And then, USB cord. So, ito yung pang-connect para sa chair sa likod. Okay, so this is the first item. So, we have the vehicle fan. And then, next is, tadaan! Ito yung dress na in-order ko, guys. So, let's see what's inside. Oh, wow. Ito yun siya, guys. And then, ang belts. Okay, so, later na lang natin isusukat. Next is, we have, okay, ito yung socks. Socks for Tyler. Para sa pasukan, no? Kasi malapit na ang pasukan, guys. So, ito yung socks niya. And then, this one is the pajama set. So, ito yung pajama set, guys. Ayan. Actually, sa akin to. No? So, this is my pajama set. Kasi, actually, nakapag-decide kami to order this one, guys. Kasi may ganito si Tyler. So, para matching kami. And then, meron din sa daddy niya. Ito. Actually, I ordered also. So, matching kaming tatlo. No? Parang family, pajama set. Yan. Ito sa daddy niya. And then, we have also, tarang, the case, cellphone case. Clear cellphone case. Kasi last time, we were looking for the clear or transparent cellphone case sa cellphone ni June, kaso wala kaming makita. Kaya I told him na mag-order na lang kami sa online. Here. And next, taran! Ito din yung, guys, yung para panglinis sa washing machine, no? Ano siya? Parang sabon siya na naka-tablet. So, let's see what's inside. Ayan siya, guys. No? Para sa washing machine. Para panglinis. And then, next is, we have this one. Purple pa talaga. So, pang-exercise siya, guys. So, dito yung dalawang paa, tapos hihilain mo. Ayan. Pang-exercise para liliit ang tiyan. Then, another box for cleaning the washing machine. Dalawang box pala ang in-order ko. So, there are 12 tablets pala, guys, in each box. So, 12 na ganito. So, madami din pala siya. And then, we have the sleeper. Yung gusto ni Tyler. He is excited of this one, actually. Ayan. White color na sleeper. Okay. And then, so ito na yung last piece. The last piece is, ano nga pala ito? Nakalimutan ko na. Okay. Yung socks din pala. Kanina kay Tyler na socks. Ito naman kay June. Ayan. So, 10 pairs to lahat na socks. Okay. So, that's it for today. So, ito yung mga in-order ko online. Okay, so next week, meron na namang darating na parcel. Kasi may na-order din kami na another set na naman. So, we will do the unboxing again. Also, pagdating ng another parcel namin. So, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Bye!